Let's jump right into our phone calls tonight. Michael is joining us this evening from Shelby County. Michael, welcome to LawCall. What's your legal question tonight?
Well, my question actually involves a lawsuit that has been pursued against my daughter out in Denver, Colorado, that is based on a wreck when she was driving a vehicle that belonged to me and is on my insurance. And my insurance company responded to it, is in the process of responding to it. They have a law firm they've hired to respond to it. And they sent her a letter recommending that she may want to hire her own attorney to represent her in case the plaintiff, the other guy, gets awarded more than what my insurance liability amount covers. And it was a stop-and-go traffic accident. She was in a little Subaru behind a big utility truck, one of them big service trucks. And her little Subaru just kind of squirted up underneath the rear end of the truck. Everybody had stopped and started going again, and she started going and got distracted by her phone falling on the floor. And when she looked back up, they'd all stopped again, and her car just kind of squirted underneath the back end of the utility truck. Didn't do any damage to the utility truck at all. It just scraped the hood of her car almost all the way up to the windshield, but not quite. Didn't break the bumper or headlights or anything like that. Just basically a body job.
Okay.
And so I'm kind of really up in arms about anxiety.
Sure, and that's understandable, Michael. Thank you so much for calling in. And, I think the question there is it wise for his daughter to go ahead and retain legal counsel?
Actually, it probably is wise, Michael, for her to do that. You can end up in a situation where you have an excess verdict. And when you have an excess verdict is a verdict that exceeds the insurance coverage available for a particular accident. Now, the facts of that case do not sound like those injuries are going to be severe enough to do that. But of course, I haven't looked at the case, so I don't know that for sure. But she probably should do that, contact a lawyer, and that lawyer will probably write a letter to the insurance company asking them to settle the claim within your policy limits to protect her.
Yeah, and no harm in having that initial consult, right?
Right.
Most of the time
No, none at all.
Yeah,
none
and getting back to our topic tonight, most of the time that's a lot of times that's done for free.
It is. When you consult with a personal injury firm, normally they will do that with you for free. Defense firms generally are on an hourly billing system, which makes it a little bit difficult for them to do that.
All right.